Use these credit cards for necessities and investment opportunities only.
Make sure you pay off your credit card in full, and remember, our aim is to utilize credit, not abuse it.
I'm a big lover of credit cards, and I think you should be too.
Growing up, I constantly heard from people around me how credit cards were bad and you should never ever get one.
But it turns out the people that were telling me this information were people that were buying stuff that they simply did not need and was constantly in a battle of paying off their debts. Now this led me to not get a credit card until I was 24 and had done my own research as to why credit cards can actually be hugely beneficial if you use them in the right way.
Why increase your credit limit?
Increasing your credit limit can also increase your credit score because you're essentially lowering your credit utilization.
For example, if you have a credit card limit of $1,000 and every month you have a balance of $900, then you are using 90% of your credit limit.
So if you increase your credit limit, then your credit utilization is going to be a lot less.
Credit experts generally recommend keeping your credit utilization ratio at 30% or below.
Number 2 is an emergency fund. So having a credit card limit that's way beyond your monthly average spending is going to be hugely beneficial in case you have some sort of emergency that, a genuine emergency, by the way, not, oh, I need to go and buy some
Gucci shoes because my old Gucci shoes have got dirty.
No, genuine emergencies that arise. Let's say, for example, your car breaks down and you use it to get to work every day. You need to get that car fixed. So that is going to be a necessity. So why not put it onto a credit card and have all of the benefits that come with a credit card rather than just paying it up front? Or maybe you don't even have that money right now. So having that big pot of money sitting there in case of a genuine emergency. Notice I say genuine emergency. So having that sitting there is going to be a really nice safety blanket for you. Number 3 is it helps you get more rewards. I use an American Express British Airways card, so that obviously helps me accumulate points to use on travel and accommodation. And then I've also got a Marks and Spencer's card. It allows me to get a Sarah more chicken and bacon sandwiches. Oh God.
The main thing I did was start putting all of my expenses that I would be paying otherwise on my American Express and then paying off the balance as soon as it was available on the app. Just by doing this, it's built up my points and my credit score very nicely.
And before we go any further, I just want to say that I'm in no way a financial advisor, so please do not take this video as instructions to go and do what I'm talking about. I'm simply just documenting and talking about what I'm doing at the moment.
If you think that increasing your credit limit is going to increase the chances of you spending beyond your means, please do not go and get yourself a credit card, or definitely do not increase your credit limit. However, as entrepreneurs, we will come across different things every day that will try and lure us down a bad path and distract us from our goal. And it will require discipline every single day to not give in to these distractions.
You don't need that, mate.
I think the same goes with having a big credit limit. Even though my credit limit has dramatically increased, my expenses have been reduced. I'm a lot more self-aware of my spending now because I'm paying off the balance in full on my card every single month. So how do we increase our limit? Like a lot of things in life, all you really need to do is ask.
Surprisingly, this is a lot easier than you would imagine. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on the American Express app, but I also did the exact same process on the Marks and Spencer's app, so I would probably imagine that every single one of these apps are going to be a similar process.
Log into the American Express app, head over to the chat section and ask, how do I increase my credit limit? They will then send you a direct link. Go through this link and request your new credit limit.
Now, the reason I initially increased my credit limit was because I downloaded an app called Experian that my mortgage advisor told me to download, and within the app it told me to increase my credit score, I would need to increase my credit limit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to never stop designing the future. If you guys are new around here, please do consider smashing that red subscribe button. I make weekly videos on self-development, filmmaking and entrepreneurship, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, smash that button and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.
It's unknown T, I go galley on me, up block galley on me, panic and dash, boy running the